Hey there stargazers. Today, I've got an amazing product to share with you, the Astronomical Refracting Telescope from MLABINYA. This high-quality telescope is the perfect tool for exploring the night sky and getting up close and personal with the wonders of the universe. With an aperture of 70mm and a focal length of 300mm, this telescope is equipped with high-quality optics and a large objective lens with multi-layer broadband coating, giving you a wider vision and clearer images. It comes in two stylish colors, orange and white. But that's not all. This telescope also comes with a range of accessories and magnification options, including two magnifying lenses, three eyepieces, a finder scope, and a moon filter, giving you a magnification range of 15X-150X. Whether you're interested in stargazing at night or observing wildlife during the day, this telescope has got you covered. Not only is this telescope easy to install, but it's also incredibly portable, making it the perfect companion for all your outdoor adventures. The durable and adjustable tripod ensures stability and ease of use, allowing you to observe from different positions without any hassle. And here's the best part: this telescope makes the perfect gift for children, friends, and beginners alike. Packaged in a colorful box, it's a great way to stimulate a passion for astronomy and science in young minds. So, what are you waiting for? Get your hands on the MLABINYA 70mm travel telescope and start exploring the cosmos today. Click the link in the description to get your own, and don't hesitate to contact us if you have any questions. Subscribe to our channel for more exciting products and reviews. Happy stargazing!